My name is Jeremy Johnson with a company called the Armored Group. Armored vehicle, specialty vehicle manufacturer based out of the USA, Oman, Germany, and Canada. The vehicle behind me is the LD1 Armored ATV. It's the only one like it. This project is the only type of unit like this in the world, specifically designed to be used originally inside of buildings. There's really nothing out there in the industry today that allows law enforcement or military or rescue personnel to drive an actual armored unit into a building to assist and rescue, administer aid, or provide protection for the law enforcement or military officers that are in a situation. We looked at that because there is a big hole there where most people are having to carry shields in. Anywhere you have that situation where you can't get any other armor quickly or be able to deploy out fast and cover a wide range, this is where that covers that for buildings. And now it's become, as we've had more of them get in the field, what we're seeing is you can get this now on small trails, mountain ranges, soft sand, soft ground, anywhere, snow, where you can't get large armor that sinks. This can go in those type of places.
So my name is Vali. I'm the key account manager for the Armored Group for the Middle East, Asia and Africa region. So the vehicle that we have behind me is the BAT Apex. It's the first time we are introducing this vehicle right at the World Defense Show in Riyadh. It's built upon the BAT UMG platform. It's a modern reincarnation of that vehicle designed for the evolving landscape in defense, in the defense sector right now. What we have done is we have redesigned the front, we have added some modifications in the interior and the back, and we have now enabled it to be integrated with various modern systems that are required in the battlefield today. This includes remote weapon system, this includes anti-drone and anti-UAV systems, and other specialized products that we collaborate on with companies that specialize in the manufacturing of these products. The reason that we partnered up with all of these collaborators and the specialists in these fields is so that we can provide our customers and the end users with a completely deployable and easy to use solution. So the vehicle that you see behind me is the new CUAS vehicle, which we just launched at the World Defense Show. It's designed for mission profiles where you require slightly higher survivability, and there's threats of IEDs, mines, explosives. It can take up to an 8 kg explosive under the belly or under the wheel, which is equivalent to the Stanic 3 as we mentioned. The CUAS, again, just like the BAT Apex, just like all of our other platforms, it's highly configurable, highly customizable. So according to their requirements, we can put anti-drone systems, anti-UAV systems, remote weapon systems, whatever they require. The configuration side can also be adjusted according to that. So the World Defense Show has been exciting so far. We've met with a lot of people that have been interested in the products. At the same time, we've had the opportunity to collaborate extensively with other solution providers on the market that could help us deliver better solutions to our customers. So I think it's been great, and we're looking forward to perhaps doing it for 2028 as well.
Hi, my name is Robbie Draper. I'm the Director of Operations for Mars Middle East, and I'm here today to talk about our company and our systems that we have on offer. Mars is a defense technology company, and what our main product today is looking at NIDAR. NIDAR is a command and control system, and the main benefit that we believe offers to the client, amongst many others, is that it can control such a large swathe of sensors and effectors that are needed in today's defense against the asymmetric threats, and specifically when you're looking at the depth of protected layers that you need to provide that solution to enable warfighters to carry out their missions. The great thing about NIDAR is that it presents warfighters and more key decision makers the decisions that they need, or the information that they need to make the critical decisions in the right time, in the right quantity. It's fairly intuitive to operate. That means it's simplistic. That means when the threat increases and the tempo increases and often stress levels increase, we can remain relevant by offering very simplified solutions. NIDAR uses AI and machine learning to help a number of different elements within the capability, but mainly it uses lots of technical information to understand whether true threats are true threats. That means that everyone is optimized and it's a more efficient, streamlined approach. Our expectations here today are to, again, let all our current clients and our large organization of subcontractors and suppliers that we are still here and we are developing the system. We have a number of new products that we've brought to market during World Defence Show 26. And again, this is our third iteration of WDS, and we hope to be here for many more in the future.
I'm Erenur, Business Development Lead of Archon Defense. Our company is operating for 2 years, but just now we reached the mass production capability, and our main product is ultralight machine gun. Actually, we focused on one product in order to have all the quality that we have, and now we are happy. This is our first fair to show our product. This is 4.5 kilogram. This is an ultralight machine gun. Actually, the idea behind this is creating a weapon machine gun in the assault rifle comfort and weight. And actually, as a machine gun, open bolt, quick change barrel, and also the belt fed choice, this is the lightest machine gun in the world. There are some machine guns claims to be lighter, but it's not open bolt. And close bolt, you cannot provide sustained fire. We have many interests. We have many talk, both from civilian individual people and also from the government agencies, high level. We have some meetings and we are very, very hopeful. Actually, as a market, we are looking for the Middle East or Central Asia or Africa, but actually this product is in the mil specs of the NATO from any country in the world, and we are confident about competing with the high level competitors. Looks like an assault rifle, but it's a real machine gun. It's belt fed, open bolt, and it has the quick change barrel. Also, it's operator-centric design. It is a 6-level buttstock, left and right ambidextrous safety, and the retainer pulse here, 90-degree retainers. Operator can feed the barrel, feed the weapon with one hand without any assistance. Ambidextrous barrel handle. We have Picatinny rails, M-lock channels. If you put something here, you can put forward. We have 3-level gas setting, normal, adverse, and suppressor. I would like to say one more thing. While we reduce the weight and increase the ergonomy, we didn't compromise from the accuracy and dispersion. Last week we conducted our dispersion test, and it was in 100 meters, 10 round burst. It's 7 MOA, which is perfect for a machine gun.